In my world, you don't need a fancy kitchen, just a fire, a skillet, and a little patience. I've spent most of my life on horseback.
Come on, fat boy.
Or behind a grill.
Now that's bacon, ladies and gentlemen. Isn't that how you use that term, Ben? He's a culinary savant.
And I wouldn't have it any other way. Now I'm taking what I've learned and chasing down new flavors, one dish at a time.
Food's just not good unless it's messy.
Correct.
Each week I head into a new kitchen to learn a favorite dish, straight from the chefs themselves.
You gotta dig the secret and open a business.
I'm gonna see how this side's a little bit whiter, so I'm gonna face it towards the fire.
A little char hurts nothing.
We feature food from all over the world.
The alien burger is our top seller.
You gotta have a massive tortilla to take that on.
Today we were gonna make a couple of our Negronis.
Well, I didn't say it wasn't messy.
That's amazing.
You did a great job. What can I say?
Yeah, good teacher.
Then I bring it back to the ranch and I throw my own twist on it.
We're gonna do is a brisket fried rice. That's gonna be my take on it. The jerk chicken marinade adds so many layers of flavor, and that's why it's so good.
That's one of my favorite parts. Get inspiration, see how people do things different than you.
Cooking over an open fire is what I do. It's simple, it's honest, and it damn sure tastes good.
That quality of beef, that melts in your mouth. You have to try this. It definitely does not suck. I'm Sean Kaler, and this is Twisted Skillet.
Get fired up, only on RFDTV.